Here we are at my sister Jo's house. Over the next 12 months we'll be doing budget renovation with just paint and styling.
We're going to use the Taubman's EASYCOAT range, and we're starting out with our nephew Oscar's bedroom, so stay tuned for the reveal.
Patched and sanded a few imperfections in the walls and then got to painting with the EASYCOAT All Walls product. We also painted the dated brown trims and doors using the EASYCOAT Doors and Trims paint. Next we painted a striped feature wall, and to get this look we used a laser and a really strong tape that creates sharp lines. Thanks to how easy this paint applies, we were able to complete this bedroom makeover in one weekend. EASYCOAT is touch dry in 30 minutes, which we love. It's as easy as with EASYCOAT, and our nephew's reaction was totally worth it.
Oh my god!
Look like the same room, mate?
No.